Presenting the Honor MagicBook X16. It has operating system preloaded Windows 11 Home 64-bit. It comes with 2.0 GHz base speed, 4.4 GHz max speed, 8 cores, 12 threads and Intel UHD graphics. It comes with 16 GB LPDDR4X RAM and 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, making it perfect for your office and study need. It has display output. It comes with power adapter, supports multi-device charge and weighs only 200 grams, making it easy to carry. It also features 16 Full HD IPS anti-glare screen. It also features multi-purpose Type-C connector, the Type-C port. The delivery box contains 1 unit laptop, 1 unit 65 watts Type-C charger and 1 unit warranty card. 1 unit user manual and 1 unit Type-C data cable.